Today we are going to solve a Google SQL interview question, which is to detect users with increasing value trend. We are given a table called user matrix with 3 columns: user ID, activity date, and value. And this is your problem statement. Google wants to identify users whose activity value keeps strictly increasing over time. So for example, in a sample data set for user ID 1, the value keeps on increasing for each subsequent record sorted by activity date. But if we move on to user ID 2, we see that his value has decreased on the second record. So he should be excluded from our output. Let's start framing our solution. So we have selected the 3 columns from the table, and now we are going to use the lag function over the value column to find out the previous activity value for each user. First, we are going to partition by the user ID and order by the activity date. This is going to be our previous value. Execute, and now you have the current and the previous values for each record. Putting this within a CTE, and now writing another query on top of a CTE, including a case condition to identify and set the flag as 0 when the current value is greater than the previous value and 1 otherwise. So case when previous value is less than or equal to the current value, then 0, else 1, and as flag. If you execute this, you will see that the flag is set to 0 for scenarios where the current value is greater than the previous value, and set to 1 when the current value is lesser than the previous value. But we also observe that for the first record in each group, since the previous value was null, the flag was set as 1. But we need to make sure that we account for this null and the first record for each user ID, and we're going to set this flag to 0 because this is the first record, and we're going to include it in a streak of increasing values. So here in a case statement, we're going to make a change and include one more condition: when previous value is null, then 0. Execute this again, and you will have a value of 1 for the flag only in conditions where the current value is lesser than the previous value. So it is breaking your continuously increasing value streak. Now the last part is going to identify those users who have continuously increasing values, which means all flag values of zeros and no flag value of 1. For that, we're going to create and put our output from this query into another CTE. Just call it as CTE flag, and write a select statement selecting a user ID from a CTE flag group by user ID, and including a filter using the having keyword. And we're using having because we are performing a filter on aggregated data. We have used group by, so with the group by clause, if you want to filter after the aggregation has occurred, we need to use having. And we are going to sum the flag that we just created in the flag CTE. We're going to say sum of flag is equal to 0. So this is going to make sure that there were no ones for that user ID. And we need to include one more condition to make sure that there were greater than 1 record for each user ID. So if it's a new user and you have just 1 record for that user, he cannot be correctly identified as the user who has an increasing value trend because he has just a single record. So we're going to exclude those single records and say count star is greater than 1. Now if you execute the entire query, you're going to end up with the correct user IDs 1 and 3 who satisfy this condition. The dataset and SQL code used in this video is linked in the description of this YouTube video. You can try to practice it yourself, and don't forget to check out the NACFang SQL query in our next video.